From a powerful speaker to a gifted poet, he expanded his horizons in every way possible. Known as the man of the masses, he was admired for his multifaceted personality. Today we are remembering one of India's most admired leaders on the 6th anniversary of his passing, former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee.
सत्ता का खेल तो चलेगा, सरकारें आएंगी जाएंगी, पार्टियां बनेगी बिगड़ेंगी, मगर ये देश रहना चाहिए, इस देश का लोकतंत्र अमर रहना चाहिए.
I am Vishal Upadhyay and you're watching India TV. Let's take a look back at his remarkable journey and share a light-hearted story that showcases his wit. Atal Bihari Vajpayee served as Prime Minister of India on 3 separate occasions. His first term lasted just 13 days. The second was for 13 months, and his third term was the longest, full 5 years from 1999 to 2004. He was the first non-Congress Prime Minister to complete a full 5-year term, a significant achievement in Indian politics. Born on December 25, 1924 in Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh, Vajpayee was not just a skilled politician but also a poet and an orator. He received the Padma Vibhushan and the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian awards, for his contributions to the nation. His tenure in the Lok Sabha spanned 10 terms from 1957 to 2009, making him one of the most enduring figures in Indian politics. Now let me share a memorable story that highlights Vajpayee's renowned sense of humor. The year was 1999 and there was a new bus service between Amritsar and Lahore aimed at improving relations between India and Pakistan. To mark the occasion, Atal Bihari Vajpayee himself travelled to Pakistan on this bus and he was given a warm welcome. During a press conference in Pakistan, a female Pakistani journalist decided to lighten the mood with a rather unusual question. She jokingly proposed marriage to Vajpayee and asked if she could have Kashmir as a wedding gift in the tradition of Muh Dikhai. Now keep in mind that Atal Bihari Vajpayee was not just a seasoned politician but also had a background in journalism. In response, without missing a beat and with his signature wit, Vajpayee jokingly asked for the entire country of Pakistan as dowry. The room erupted in laughter and even the journalist couldn't help but smile at his clever reply. His quick thinking and humor not only diffused the situation but also left a lasting impression on everyone present. So that's a glimpse into the charm and sharp wit of Atal Bihari Vajpayee. We hope you enjoyed this look back at his incredible legacy. Share your thoughts in the comments below and keep watching India TV for more updates and stories.
अटल जी ने कहा था कि ये वंदन की धरती है, अभिनंदन की धरती है. इसकी नदी नदी हमारे लिए गंगा है, इसका कंकड़ कंकड़ हमारे लिए शंकर है. हम जिएंगे तो इस भारत के लिए और मरेंगे तो इस भारत के लिए, और मरने के बाद भी गंगा जल में बहती हुई हमारी अस्थियों को कोई कान लगाकर सुनेगा तो एक ही आवाज आएगी, भारत माता की जय.